So apparently AI has taken everybody's job. These videos were sent in by subscriber Walter. Shout out to you, Walter. And also, when's the last time you met somebody by the name Walter? That is a name I thought was extinct. In the 80s? We got one, and he's subscribed. So shout out to you, Walter. The one and only Walter that I know of. Anyway, let's get into this because it's a topic that's hot and a topic that I have some strong opinions on.
With the fact that UPS is going to fire 48,000 management and operations people shows that, and by the way, that the stock goes up. That actually might be the most AI firing of all time, because now is the time when you don't fire people, because we're going into Christmas season, November and December. That's usually when they surge temporary hiring. They may actually still do that just for the average packers, shippers, delivery people, etc. But the management and operations, they're probably just trying to automate all of those procedures. I mean, it's grim out here. You're cutting 10% of people at Amazon. Again, November, December, the busiest months at the whole company, some 10% of your entire workforce before Christmas. Now you have UPS here being fired, 48,000 people. You have the open acknowledgement. I've talked here about how AI is just like more Excel corporate sludge 90% of the time. Is you no longer have to have a guy who takes minutes for a meeting. It summarizes your stuff. It can help you put PowerPoints together. It can check your commas, your periods, and your footnotes and automate them. That's usually the grunt work that most 22-year-olds get hired in the white-collar workforce. And now all of those are slowly starting to erode. So if you're a new hire out there and you took some $50,000, $60,000 in debt, you're screwed. You're screwed. It's dark.
Before we go to the next video, what annoys me the most about the AI stuff, from what I've seen, what I've heard, it's like we are throwing people's livelihoods away for convenience. You know, and that's not even talking about like the greed and the saving money and not caring about your fellow man. Most of AI, especially like white collar jobs, it's just convenience. Convenience and not having to pay somebody. That just, I'm a pro-capitalist guy all the way, but that just does not sit well with me, man. I don't like this. I don't like any of this, to be quite honest. But let's jump into this next video. He says AI is taking over.
So AI is taking over. Amazon just laid off over 14,000 employees.
Peace.
From the warehouse, the offices. They just laid off over 14,000 and counting. Paramount just laid off over 1,000 employees and counting. Also, UPS laid off over 40,000 employees.
Wow.
From the warehouse and also the office. And they're not done yet, because Target is next. Target is next. Walmart is next. All these big top stores will be next. And probably your job that you're working in right now might be next. AI is taking over. You heard it here first. Share this, repost this. Don't forget to follow. And also comment below what you think. Is your job going to be next? Put it in the comments.
You know what, man? You know what annoys me? Like, if there was any real unity among like all of us, I think we can all agree that people losing their jobs to AI for the benefit of the company not having to pay people for the most part, and a little convenience and maybe speed, I think we can all agree that's not a good thing. The fact that the fact that all of us aren't just absolutely unifying to tell like Amazon, for example, if you do this, we're all going to en masse stop buying anything from you. No more. Like, we're going to support you as long as you keep these jobs for people. Same thing with Target, same thing with all of them. Like, if we en masse were to say, if you guys want to go down this road, it's going to hurt your bottom line. Like, we are not going to support you. We will fight like hell as a society to not spend money with you. And on the flip side, This is leaving a big hole in the market, like a big business opportunity for some store or somebody to really, fly in as the superhero here and save the day. This is a good sales pitch to anybody listening. I doubt they're listening to this small channel, but regardless, a boy can dream. To anybody that's listening that has the power to step up and say, hey, this company, this store, this whatever, we're going the other direction. We're going to fight like hell to keep jobs for people because that's a big part of this. I mean, is it just greed? Greed's the simple answer. Like these companies just being too greedy. Maximizing their profits, which I get it. It's not a crime to want to maximize your profits, right? Like anybody who's got a business mind knows that at the end of the day, you got to make money. Like I'm doing these videos. I'm hoping to make money off these videos. I go to work every day and hope I make money at work. But man, like when is enough enough? And when is the bigger picture? At what point does the bigger picture stop mattering? Because if you really care about the bigger picture for our society and for our world, for that matter, and for humanity, there's no argument that you can make to make me or most people believe that AI taking people's jobs is a good thing. Like there's no argument you're going to make to convince me that this is a good thing. You get all these people that are trying to make deliveries, side hustles, the inner workings of these big companies, like the white collar stuff. These people need jobs, dude. Like your company, I'm not going to sit here and say your company makes enough money because that's a little extreme. I don't know. I don't like people that do that because, again, I'm a pro-capitalist guy. Most people would agree, though, regardless of your leanings in any way. Most people would agree this isn't good, man. And we have got to unify somehow. The only shot we have at this is to unify because the companies have a choice. They don't have to do this. These companies do not have to go down this route. They do not have to sell their employees out. They don't have to do this. And the more we accept it, the more we sell our souls for a little convenience, the more we do that, the more you shit on your fellow man, your fellow brother and sister. And again, the only answer I have is to all of us in mass unify to tell someone like Amazon, if you guys do this, we're not buying anymore. We're done. No more. We will not support you. Because that's the only way you can get through to these companies is to affect their bottom dollar. Hit them in the wallet because that's all that matters to these people. And that's not even like a judgment. I'm not even saying it to knock them. That's like a fact of business. At the end of the day, these guys are turning and burning. They want to bring money in. But we as a society, in my opinion, need to unify and tell these guys, you guys doing this in mass is a bad thing, and we are not okay with it. I don't know. Do you guys have a better answer? Let me know down below. I'm really curious to see the comments with this video. Hey, you know what, man? Like the video. If you did like the video, that helps me out. Lets YouTube know that the video is worthwhile and the channel is worthwhile. Tells YouTube that you liked the video. Maybe someone else will like it too. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. What are you doing here? You keep coming around, you don't subscribe. Just kidding. Please still keep coming around. Until next time, guys, I'm going to leave you the way that I always try to leave you. Take your vitamins, hit the gym, and always stay improving. Do you even lift, bro? I hope that you do. God bless. Be well. We'll see you next time. I'm out.